Hello and good day to you from Prince George Motors, your big Ford dealership located just off of Highway 97 here in Prince George, British Columbia, Canada. You are looking at a 2017 Ford Edge Sport Package, all-wheel drive, fully loaded. Stock number is BB38890. Give us a phone call at 250-563-8111 and quote that stock number. The sales professional that you get on the phone when you call in will be more than happy to have this vehicle in front of the showroom and ready to go for you to have a closer look and a test drive. I'm going to show you a couple of the features on this vehicle. Not going to fit all of them. It is absolutely loaded. And then you can decide from there if this is the vehicle of your future. Starting off on the door, you've got your keyless entry keypad that illuminates when you touch it, just like your phone. Coming on inside, you've got your power windows, your power locks, your power mirrors, and just above that, your memory seats. As we come on in, you've got your automatic headlights, your power hatch release, your dash dimmers on there, and you've got power tilt and telescopic steering on the side of your steering column. Once you're in here, you've got your menu controls up here on your steering wheel, which of course gives you the ability to go through a bunch of the important things that go on with your vehicle. Just below that is your cruise control. And on the right hand side of your steering wheel is your hands-free Bluetooth phone and your stereo search options, menu features. You can see just above that here, that little plus sign there, that's your paddle shifters, one of them. The other one, of course, is your minus sign on the other side of your steering wheel. You've got push button start, which is fantastic. You can keep your keys in your pocket at all times. You've got command start as well. Here's your climate control. You've got your heated seats and cooled seats for driver and passenger. You've got your automatic temperature settings, so the vehicle will do the rest. You've got your full video around here up on the front, and that'll display on your main screen up here. Gives you a few different features so you can see fully around your vehicle. You have all your settings, your audio, your climate, which again, a little bigger feature from the one that you have on your dash, your phone, your navigation, your apps, and of course your settings. Down here you've got your S for standard or sport mode, and that's where your paddle shifters come into play. You go through your gears as you choose, an electronic e-brake, and of course your park assist. Rounded out in some leather seating, and of course you have your ambient lighting in here as well. And in your settings you can pick your colors. There's 7 different ones to choose from. Keep your ambiance real. Up here, of course, you have the panoramic moonroof or sunroof. Keeps your cabin cheery. Let's come along into the back of the vehicle. You've got a 60-40 split seat back here, so you can put one side or both down and extend your cargo space. You do have heated seats for your passengers, so that's fantastic. Keeps everybody happy and nobody's complaining about wanting to have the front seat. You do have the center console with cup holders for everybody's convenience. Let's take a look at the back. It does have a power release for your hatchback, and I did that off your key fob. You can do that from a button inside the vehicle as well. And you can see even with the seats up, your cargo space back here is quite extensive. So, putting this down, you've got your button here, or of course you can do it off your key fob as well. You've got your full LED lighting with your brake lights, your park lights, your running lights. Very fantastic looking vehicle. It's got all you need. All-wheel drive, super comfortable, lots of room. We look forward to meeting you down here, Prince George Motors.